Hi everyone, my name is Al and I'm from CapLeads, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our 30,000 consulting data sets. All right, so uh, right here, what you see on the screen is more than 30,000 consulting services, um, B2B leads. All right, so I'm showing you this, and we are showing you this video because we wanted you to know and be aware that even though you have more than 30,000 leads, not all of them are valid. And you need to validate those leads because if you don't, you will have a big problem with regards to bounce rate, domain health score, and yeah, you're just going to have a lot of issues in your campaigns. And another thing is that you are paying for these leads or you are buying the leads somewhere and you're getting a lot of them. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a million leads, if only two of them work, then it won't give you anything in return. That's why we're sharing you this video. All right. So, first thing about this data that you see right here, this is our consulting B2B leads, which is more than 33 k. And as you can see, we're only showing you the first name and the job title because on our website we told you guys that our data sets are only composed of C-level decision maker people, which is true. And we wanted to flex that right here on this video. And we also minimize or yeah made the phone number, the email address, the company, domain, and the last name small because of course we are protecting the integrity of our data set. There's a lot of fishers out there, and we wanted to make sure that everything is good. So yeah, now after this one, you're gonna see what happens with this 33k data set, and that's what we're gonna be doing right now. All right. Now, this right here, what you're seeing right now, is NeverBounce. And NeverBounce is the one that we're using for validation. We are using them because they're pretty straightforward and really easy to use. Well, what you need to do is you need to buy credits, and you could use those credits to validate the number of leads that you have. Now, the good thing with cap leads is that if you buy leads from us, you're going to be receiving them validated via NeverBounce. So you don't need to worry about that anymore. Once you receive your data set, you can just go ahead and load them to your CRM or load them into your campaigns, and it's good to go. So, right now, as you can see right here at the bottom, you will see the 33k consulting services B2B leads that I showed you earlier. And you're going to be blown because out of those 33k, only 22k is valid. So 69% of that huge list is valid. And I'm sure for those of you who are starting your businesses, founders out there, for the normal people, it sounded like it's not a huge thing. But for those businesses out there, yeah, for those startups right there out there, it's a huge thing because every lead counts. Every lead is money, and every lead wasted is wasted money. And we know that this is very very important, especially with your campaigns. It's just like having your own car, right? So your campaigns, your system, the way you market your brand, that's your car, and you need the leads to fuel it. If you don't have the leads, then you will not get anything in return. So same thing with the car. If you don't have the fuel, you can't go anywhere. Now, a good thing with us is that we all of our data sets are validated by NeverBounce, and they're pretty accurate, pretty easy to use, and you will see right away the number of the valid data that you have and the breakdown as well. So as you can see right here, the valid data is 22K, 22.8K rather, and that's 69.9% of the full data set that I showed you earlier. Now, we have other categories right here, except all, it says right here, yeah, email servers for these domains do not provide a definitive verification response. Now, you can still use this, but it's a gamble, and it could damage your domain reputation. We got unknowns, disposable, and invalid. We also have 121 duplicates. See? Say, for example, uh, per lead is 50 cents. Yeah, just for an example, it's 50 cents per lead. So this 121 duplicate right here, because this is gonna be like around $60, and that's a lot. I'm not sure if my math if my math's correct. If it's not, tell me in the comment section. All right. So right now that I showed you how we validate it, I'll go ahead and show you afterwards the end result. And yep, I'll see you over there. Thanks. Okay, so here we are. This is the result that we got from the data validation that we did with NeverBounce. And as you can see right here, we only have 22K, 22.7K to be exact. Well, not exact, but it's around that range. Yeah, so the same thing that we did with the raw data earlier. We showed you the name, job title. Yeah, but we kind of like minimize the last name, phone, email, company, and domain. Okay, so this right here, this is a fresh, clean data set. And every time you download it from NeverBounce, you're gonna get a column like this right here. Well, it says email status valid. Okay, so if you guys are used to getting 30%, 20% bounce rate, with our data set, the most that you could get is 0.5% bounce rate. Yeah. So we have tested and ran this. We also use our data sets, of course, and I can tell you, it's a really game changer. And if in any case you guys are interested, you could go to our website, capleads.org. You can send us a message on WhatsApp. You could also, send us a message on our website as well. Now, our price per lead starts at 0.05 cents. It's mind-numbingly low. We're not even a quarter of a cent. And the minimum order that you can get is around 500 leads. You can pick which industry you want, the one that you need, and tell us about it. We will prepare it for you and send it to you like this. Ready to use. You could load it anytime, put it on your CRM, start your campaign, and then start closing those deals. Yeah, because if you spell leads backwards, it's deal. No, not. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah. So, if in any case, guys, you have any questions, you leave a comment down below. Go to our website, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.